Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your display between Fahrenheit and Celsius, as well as Celsius to Fahrenheit. So first, you will start the vehicle, and then once it boots all the way up, we're going to be using these controls here. This top is your menu toggle button. This you can scroll up or down, as well as push enter to select something, and then your back button. So first we'll start with this by clicking through till we get to the last option here, which is the little gear symbol. Then we'll start scrolling down and be down just a bit more, so keep going down. Now we're at units, so at units we push enter. Okay, so I pushed enter and then down one more where it says temperature, and then we'll push enter again to go to Celsius, and then vice versa. Just push enter to go to Fahrenheit. It auto saves you each time you do it. So you could just turn the vehicle off or go to the back buttons or whatever, but that's all you have to do. I hope that was helpful today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.